Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get picture-in-picture option on the YouTube app on your iPhone. So let's start. For this you need three applications. First of all, you need the Siri shortcuts. Then the second app is Scriptable. You can easily find it on the App Store. And lastly, you need the YouTube app. If you don't have one of these apps, then download it from the App Store right now. Now let's continue. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and search for Siri shortcuts and tap on that. And make sure your Allow Untrusted Shortcuts is enabled. If you cannot enable it, then you have to create a shortcut on the Siri Shortcuts app. Now open the Safari browser and go to the link given in the description. Here you will see the YouTube PIP shortcut. Now tap on Get Shortcut. And the shortcut will be downloaded and added to your Siri shortcuts. Now open the YouTube app. Play any video you like. Now tap on Share. And then tap on More. Now scroll up and tap on YouTube PIP. And the video will start playing on picture-in-picture mode. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.